Hello, people of Earth. So, 3 days ago, this happened, and everyone went crazy about all the new features of iOS 13. Well, not everyone. Sorry, guys, I'm not pro iOS or anti Android. I just find this battle between iOS and Android a bit hilarious. So, I spent last 4 days using iOS 13, and I'm going to talk about my experience and top 7 hidden features you should know about. Trust me, guys, these are not the features you've heard elsewhere or seen elsewhere. So if you're excited about it, drop the like button below. It's really going to help me out, and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out any of the future videos. So let's get started, guys. I installed iOS 13 beta on the day of its release, but I decided to try it out myself first before I review it. Obviously, it has a lot of bugs as we would expect from a beta release, but I managed to try my hands on some new and hidden features. And the first feature I'm going to talk about is the all new share sheet. The share sheet, when you open up a photos and pick up any photo to share, and if you click on a share icon, it now opens up a new redesigned look. It's now vertically aligned instead of horizontal. It's way more clean. It gives you suggestions who should you want to share it with. And when you click on airdrop, it opens up a new section. It used to have a horizontal bar at the bottom before. So Apple has done a really good thinking about redesigning this sharing feature. So really good on you, Apple. The next thing is revamp 3D Touch UI, especially when you 3D touch on links or images or text, has a new user interface which looks really nice. It blurs everything out and pops up like this. I really like this design. In addition to this, in Safari, now you can also take full UI screenshot, which is really great. Now you can scroll down a little bit to see the rest of your document. This is really cool because you earlier had to use third-party apps to stitch the screenshots together. Now you can capture the full page UI and edit it in one place. The next one I discovered is the iMessage editing. Now you can actually tap your two fingers to edit the iMessage. Earlier we had to tap on that edit button and find the message to edit, but now it's so much better and simple. The next feature, I personally like it a lot. So to select anything, you tap like usual, and then to copy, you actually pinch in with three fingers and then pinch out with three fingers to paste. This looks really cool, and then you can actually tap with your three fingers on the screen to undo the last word you wrote, which is amazing. Another feature which will be really handy is silence unknown callers by default. So if you have an unknown caller trying to contact you, you can now have them silenced all the time if you want. So if you are at work meeting or something, then just flip this button and you'll be safe from now. Also, Photos app has got some major changes in iOS 13, like changes in the portrait mode to add that monochromatic effect to your portrait pictures. And also, if you have some continuous shots of your live photos, now you can stitch them all together to make one full length video. So if you select all those live pictures together and then save them as a video, there you go, one full length video, which is cool. Also, the last bonus feature I want to talk about, which is really going to be useful in our daily lives, is sharing ETA from maps. So when you're en route to somewhere or someone, you can share your ETA and it automatically suggests which contact you may want to share it with. But you also have full access to your contact list. So it's going to be really handy for me, especially, I'll be honest, I tend to run late for some places sometimes. So that's a wrap for this video. Let me know your thoughts and comments down below. And if you're excited to try iOS 13 and what features you're most excited about. This is VK signing off. Till next video. See ya.